This is a coconut tea cake. It's soft, crumbly, and just so delicious. More importantly, it's really easy to make and keeps well in fridge for 3 to 4 days. It comes together with the simplest of ingredients too. Let's start with the dry ingredients first. In a large bowl, add 2 cups of sifted whole wheat flour measured lightly, not packed. Add 2 cups of grated coconut, also loosely packed. If either of these are packed too tightly, the cake can turn out dense. Now add 1 tablespoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda and half a teaspoon of salt. Mix well until everything is combined. I'm using whole wheat flour here, but you can absolutely use plain white flour if you prefer. You could also try a mix of half millet flour and half whole wheat flour. Now on to the wet ingredients. In another bowl, add 3/4 cup of jaggery, 1 cup of thick coconut milk, 1/4 cup of coconut oil, 2 eggs, and half a teaspoon of vanilla powder. Whisk everything together until smooth.
For suggestions and substitutes, you can refer the description box below.
Meanwhile, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Now pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients, then gently fold until just combined. Transfer the batter into a greased 7 to 9 inch loaf pan. Bake for 30 to 40 minutes or until a skewer inserted in the center comes out clean. While that's baking, let's toast some coconut flakes. This really enhances the coconut flavor and adds a bit of crunch to the soft, crumbly cake. I'm also making a light soak for the cake, just a little thick coconut milk, some lime zest and a spoonful of powdered sugar. The lime zest adds a freshness and the soak helps keep the cake beautifully moist. Whisk it together and set aside. You can skip these steps if you like. The cake is lovely on its own, but I'd really recommend not skipping them. It already smells so good. So once the cake is done, poke a few holes using a skewer or fork. Pour the soak over the top and finish with toasted coconut. And that's it. Warm, nutty, and with just a hint of zing, this is our version of coconut tea cake. Bite of this cake with a cup of tea or coffee if you prefer is all you need to lift your mood. I hope you give it a try, and for more such recipes, don't forget to subscribe. Until the next one, take care and ta-ta!